Hello? You haven't left the house from about 5 o'clock down at work. No, what I call about? Wake up, man. Yo, I show you advice. I'm tired of how you deal with the food on Sunday. So I say, you treat Sunday like a Wednesday and Thursday and them Sunday. Sunday are rice and peas, vegetable. Like 2 meat for you cook on them something there. My girl, more time you just get up on Sunday and just cook this white rice and a fry 2 pieces of chicken and just make some little gravy and like you think I eat that, Reggie. Stop treat Sunday like say a Monday or Tuesday and them something there. Cook some food like cook 2 meat. More vegetable when we can put Italian dressing pan and all of them something there. Cook little curry goat and have the little fish pan the side or something. You understand? This white rice. No, I want peas in my rice, man. Pan Sunday peas in a rice. I make some juice, carrot juice or something, man. This lemonade.
Okay. Are you really Jamaican if you're not cooking up soup on a Saturday and you have not put all the pots out on Sunday? Well, let's talk about cooking and thing for a second. We're going to get real. So does it matter if your table isn't filled with the traditional Jamaican dinner on Sundays? Me, the personality, Uncle, I call him, Uncle Burgerman, and marketing practitioner, Shanice Nation, are here to dish it out.
Why you have call me Uncle and old man?
Okay, well hold on now. Before we start, I want you guys to take a good look at Uncle Burgerman. Slim and trim. He's been working out. Yeah man, stand up.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Sexy turn up.
So I want to say I'm really proud of you. It's a journey that a lot of people take and they don't take it seriously. Really proud of you. All right, Sunday dinner time.
Boy, I like my Sunday dinner, you know. So.
And you notice we need to look at you first.
Because why? I'm the woman.
No, you're the guilty party. You're supposed to deal with it. So we hear what you say.
Listen, men can go in the kitchen and look after the Sunday dinner too. I'm just saying. But I mean, if you're a true Jamaican, I feel that, boy, you have to go out, all out on a Sunday. Take out all of the pot, look after all of the meat. Because that's what we are about. That's what Jamaicans are about. So that's what makes us unique. That's what I say.
I will ask you to do that.
Listen, when from I have the time, may I do it.
Do you have the time to do it?
Once I have the time, I'll do it.
Mr.
Once
Burger,
I have the time.
Mr. Burger, what I look for.
Yeah, once we have the time,
Listen.
something there. Once we have the time, yeah. You see, it's a sin if you eat certain food on Sunday. You feel like you're sin. If you go drink soup on Sunday, you feel like you're sin and come short of the glory of God. No, man, when you come out this Sunday, man, it's like Christmas, you know, you have to eat your ham and them something, you know? What do you mean? You need ham? No, that's all right. Part of your life, God, man. If you don't eat pork, man, part of your life, God. Yeah.
So hold on, you go in the kitchen and look after your house?
No, I cook my own food, you know. I cook my own food, that's why I'm not wait for nobody. You see, at them thing they make, God forbid, some of the woman in relationship in a trouble. You know why I start, you know?
All right.
Because some of them have them man and them take them man for granted. I go steam local rice as the man say, or them say, let me fix that song. Only me tired. You know? You see all them side chick there? You ever go for them yard? You don't want to come out. Them pamper you, you know? Them do it. Them.
All right, so hold on.
It diverse.
All right, so hold on. What about the man going into the kitchen and cooking
wrong
for his
with that.
woman?
Okay.
But men don't seem to do it as often. Why?
Yeah, but hold on. Traditionally, them say the woman's place is in the home.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Traditional.
And traditionally, and come on, every woman want to take care of them man. You know what I mean?
everyone's supposed to
And
want
the
to take
only
care
way
of
them do that
There we
is
go.
that way and the cooking. So do it properly.
Okay.
Yeah? So if when it come on to Sunday, them now mix carrot juice and them something like that, you know? Because them girl can't grater. I even use the blender. Them now take the time for cut up the carrot and put it in the blender. And me, I tell you.
You see my nails?
You see, only they,
All right.
give me some Sunday juice. Give me 5 Sunday juice.
We say, you have your sour sap juice.
Yeah.
Your peanut punch.
No, that's not Sunday
Yeah, we
juice.
say, of
Your
course.
porridge, you gone.
We say,
You have
no,
to get extra,
listen,
man. Peanut,
listen.
no,
You have your peanut
That's a
punch.
porridge, yeah.
Anyways, you have your good carrot juice. What you say? You have your, when at Christmas time,
Yes,
that's a
ma'am, we're
sorrel
done.
juice.
Yeah.
You have
We
your
got a-
sorrel
we
juice.
got a sorrel.
That
Christmas
is-
already. No,
listen,
stay on the Sunday.
At Christmas.
Stay on the Sunday,
It's
man.
Christmas.
You look like you're on
Yeah.
short. What again?
What else now? What we have?
Me don't know.
We have a good.
Good one.
What else we have?
Me, you think.
We have we beetroot.
Let me help you. Beetroot.
We beetroot.
June
Yeah,
plum.
a 5 that.
June plum.
Yeah.
Passion. You want more?
Me just say, me
You're
name
not in the
5.
kitchen.
What you say? You go on.
You
Cause
should
you
have-
not in
you should have-
the
you should have-
kitchen.
so-
neither.
So, Burger
Put
Man,
down count.
let me ask you a question. You watch a video just now. Do you think it's fair for a man to put all that burden cooking all these dishes on a son and a woman?
Pa woman,
If you're able to help,
it fear.
yeah.
It fear for the man to go out and work money and give you for gas.
Don't
Yeah,
stick up in right
but-
there.
It fear for
Remember,
the man
women
to
go out now, you know.
him ask me, you know.
Remember,
No,
women
that's
go
what get you,
out,
man.
you
That's what
know.
get
Yeah, but
Alright.
you know, woman money and woman money. Woman money and woman money.
No, sir.
Woman
Listen,
money.
enough
Unless you don't
woman
live by
have the-
yourself, you don't pay rent.
We say.
If you don't live with the man pay the rent and pay the light bill and pay the water bill. Talk to me now.
And woman pay them bills just the same.
know, I'm
That's why you
speaking
have
tongues in
working
here, you know.
class women.
All right, so-
That's why you have working class women who pay their own bills.
Let's get back to the food.
Yeah.
You know, we're going to rent and car payment.
Put him back on
Food.
track.
Back into
Mm-hmm.
Good food for cook on Sunday.
I
Good
agree.
food.
What
And
if-
the lady for just pamper the man. Yeah, the man them
I
can
agree.
cook. I love cook.
I agree.
But when me dey home, me allow my girlfriend for cook. Because it's like the ladies way of expressing herself to a man.
That's true.
When she go in there. And you say if you have a respect for your man, you know, the ladies and them go really go all out. Fry like a platinum and put on the side of the thing. You know what I mean? You know, cut up the
Broccoli.
vegetable and thing, make a little potato salad. You know what I mean? So, yeah, salad dressing, them little thing there, you know. Make the man feel special. It's a rest day and it's a nice family day, you know? Yeah.
Or what if the woman can't cook?
If she can't cook, then she go out and go buy a little Chinese and then put it on the plate and make it look proper.
So warm to your hands.
Yeah, I was getting to that. What if you have a husband, boyfriend that loves to cook? Will you allow him to cook on Sunday?
Definitely. I mean, like I said, I mean, things have changed over the years.
From tradition.
And, right, from the traditional version. So women are out there just as the men, and they need time to rest as well. And if it's
And lazy, only lazy.
and you can call it what you will. The reality is both parties are pulling their weight. And so if it is that it's time to cook and express love for each other, then definitely either party can go in the kitchen and cook up something. Cook up a storm.
Yes, so you're saying for go in a laundry room and wash your clothes too.
So what happened to
Same
that?
thing, you know?
You're too traditional.
Okay, my thing is this. My girlfriend cooks a lot.
You can't cook, you can't help yourself.
I can help myself, you know, but she cooks a lot. She cooks everything. On a Sunday, I know exactly what's coming on my plate. I don't eat rice, so she always makes like quinoa and things
Who?
like that. Quinoa.
How many names so?
Yeah.
It's non-conventional, but
Me
yeah.
not reach the side of my eating.
and I don't eat meat, so she always
Which is
prepares.
good, though.
Yeah, and I don't eat meat, so she always, you know, prepares my meals accordingly. What
No
if
man,
you?
you're special.
What if you meet? She's special. She treats
No
me
man, you
special.
need help. You need all my help.
But my thing is this: what if both partners have issues cooking? Like both of them can't cook. How am I gonna work that out? And the man wants a traditional cook meal.
Well, you know, some help and she come in on Friday and cook food for the weekend.
You want,
That's
you
not
want,
enough people do.
you want to help?
Are you compromise? Compromise. Something.
What kind of compromise? Him say the clown can't cook.
Something
Miss,
must
come here.
give.
Come
Learn.
here. Come here,
YouTube
man.
is
Come
there.
here. Come here.
You see all that girl there? Sakina can't cook.
Yeah.
You know,
That's why I call her in. So I come to
She know if you take care of a man. I have to ask you and I see it by your face. Yeah.
She love bake. She love bake. But I'm gonna ask you though.
But still, go on.
But I'm gonna ask you though.
Yeah.
If your boyfriend call you on a Sunday after you done work and him the home now done, you go home and cook a full-fledged meal. You think
If
that's
he's
right?
at home doing nothing?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, if he wants it. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Oh, let me just.
Usa.
My boyfriend is very caring, right?
Okay.
He's very understanding. Cause like when we in the mood and him understand and like we rub my foot on them something very that kind of man that we have. Yeah, yes, that's the kind of man I got. But it's like reciprocation. So if
rub
he,
foot, you know?
That's nice. That's
No
great.
matter what I want to show.
I never
But
said
it look like you complain when you rub the foot.
I'm just saying it.
Give me the foot, yeah.
I'm just saying.
Babe, wherever you are, this is not
Hey, somebody
serious.
now. We move from food to finances to feet. So food, finances, and feet.
To answer the question,
Yes.
if he can be understanding when I need him to be understanding, I can be too. So if I'm not too tired and I can come home and cook it, I'll cook it.
Okay. So, but
I'll
now
cook it.
we've moved away from tradition though. I mean,
Yeah. Why?
Everybody.
The conversation is nice though.
And you see,
I know the cooking so much, you know, but the way you cook on a Sunday, because you see, some ladies can get creative, you know, very creative with the Sunday dinner. But I mean, remember, say everybody at work and throughout the week, you didn't see one another.
So you just want to make sure that Sunday dinners are special.
It must be.
In whatever way that you make it special.
You know, if you mix Kool-Aid, give man on Sunday.
No.
All right.
You know what I mean? Natural juice.
We have to wrap this segment. Uncle Burger,
Them
man.
girl ain't not too much back spoon, man, and the phone. Them all go down the road. Go,
We have to wrap. Uncle Burger, man. And marketing practitioner, Chinese Nation. Thank you so much.
So you better can cook recipe book. You know how long the song that sing before you're born.